Hey guys, this is So Blessed. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about crocheting. Yes, you see all these. This is my latest crochet project, and these are dishcloths. You can actually use them as washcloths, but the intended purpose for me making them were dishcloths. So I want to talk to you about the benefit of making you some crochet dishcloths. So whether you're making dishcloths or something else, there is a tremendous benefit to this hobby. Okay, I know some people do crochet as a business, and that's an awesome way of making money doing something that you love to do, because it is a labor of love. But there's also some other benefits to crocheting. One thing for me is that crocheting really does calm my mind. So if you're a person who has anxiety, well, there's a lot of anxiety, or momentary anxiety, crocheting might be something you may want to consider trying. So that repetitive motion of crocheting can really have a meditative effect on you. It helps you if you have racing thoughts, and it promotes relaxation. It provides a sense of control. Anxiety often comes with those feelings of uncertainty, following a pattern, so to speak. I didn't use a pattern for this because this is just basically single crochet, which gives it that tight knit look. It makes it more durable, and it does last a very, very long time. In fact, I had one of these gifted to me, which was probably 20 some years ago, and I still use it to this day, because they are so durable and long lasting. So anxiety, like I said, often comes from certain levels of uncertainty, and by having something, maybe these are considered small projects, by the way. But if you're learning to crochet, or you have projects that you intend to learn how to do, follow instructions, all that stuff, having that pattern and seeing that you can accomplish something, seeing that progress can give you a sense of stability, so to speak. So it also helps your mind to focus on something else other than what you're actually dwelling on. So in that regards, I think it encourages mindfulness, focused mindfulness on something else. So you're focusing on those stitches, you're focusing on the texture that you're developing, you're counting all those rows, and that helps to keep your mind engaged in the present moment of what you're doing. So I think it's helpful in reducing the overthinking that we may find ourselves doing, especially in these challenging times of worry. So if it's something you've been thinking about trying, I encourage you, I recommend you to do it. This is about, you might say, well, it's another hobby, it's going to be expensive. All of these were made from 4 small skeins of 100% cotton yarn, which I think is the best to make your dishcloths from. 100% cotton. It's very eco-friendly. But basically, I paid this is about $10 worth. And that's $10 worth of yarn got me a lot of relaxation, a lot of meditation, a lot of stress relief. So was it worth $10? It was definitely worth $10 to me. It also can keep you from being, if you're the type of person that is restless, boy, is this the perfect project for you. It keeps your hands busy. It's a productive activity that you're engaging in, which can prevent some of that anxiousness and nervousness that you may be experiencing. Some people You can see signs of anxious and restlessness when they're biting their fingernails or they're fidgeting a lot. Yeah, those are some pretty good indicators. And also it keeps your hands busy. So it keeps your mind busy, keeps your hands busy. And I would encourage you to at least try it. It also, you know, they say, I'm not a medical doctor, but they say it does help with boosting your dopamines and your serotonin when you are completing small tasks like finishing dishcloths. That releases that feel good kind of chemical in your brain, helping you to improve your mood. It also, for me, gives me a sense of coziness and comfort in having a routine thing that I can do when I have, I have an extra 30 minutes or extra hour or maybe even a whole afternoon. That really does help me a lot. It's kind of soothing for me, especially when you pair it with a warm cup of tea, a cozy blanket, and maybe even some calming music. So try making some dishcloths. It's a practical benefit to it. It's for me a mental, emotional benefit to it. But like I said earlier, it's also eco-friendly, reusable, and I mean, I had mine for years. The one that was gifted to me, it's 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 a very good product to gift to people because it's very long lasting and practical, and also it's something homemade, right? It's something you took the time to make and gift to certain people. You can get away from those disposable sponges that often carry bacteria because these are very fast drying because they are 100% cotton. They dry very fast, which reduces that opportunity for bacteria to hang out and grow. Durable, long lasting, I said that, homemade. It's also customizable in terms, you can see here the stack that I made. They're all different colors, and you can really customize these to be suitable for whatever your decor is, or maybe you were hanging out with one of your friends or your parents and you notice that they have a certain color scheme going on in their kitchen. You might make it customizable to fit in with their decor. These can also be used as washcloths because they work well as washcloths also. I would probably go with straight white or something like that, something that didn't have any of the dye in it. I don't know if the dye is harmful or not, but I would definitely go, if I was going to use it for washcloth, I would probably go with the white ones. All right, and they're cost effective because, like I said, it only cost me $10 to make these. So yeah. Now, it's very relaxing, you guys. It's therapeutic, really. That repetitive motion of crocheting can really help reduce some stress. It's also, if you choose to make dishcloths, this is a very good beginner-friendly project. It's also a portable project. So if you are a person who is commuting back and forth to work, this would be great to take on the train or the bus because it's portable. It's a portable project. Like I said, it's also in learning how to do this, you're building a skill. You know, we don't know what's going to happen in the years to come, but you definitely want to start trying to learn how to make something yourself. And boy, are these useful, right? Okay, guys, I think I've been a little long-winded here, but basically, this is my latest project. What's yours? Share with me in the comments what you're working on. Let me know if you even thought about crocheting. Why would you want to learn how to crochet? And if you just started, let us know how you're feeling. How do you feel about the projects that you've completed so far? How do you feel about the progress of the project that you're working on now? I'd love to hear from you. Until the next video, I'll see you later.